All right. Good evening, Kasuri. Good evening, Sandeep. Good evening, Amrita, Shilpa. Good evening. All right. Let's very quickly do this. This is going to be a little shorter because I definitely want to also look at Amitav Ghosh. We have looked at Bhavani Bhattacharya. We have looked at G.V. Desani. We've also covered a very important writer that is Raja Rao. And I hope आप लोगों को ये सारे works भी chronologically clear होंगे. Nayanthara Sehgal, we were also looking at, of course, Kamla Markandeya, and I think we ended at that bit jab I was discussing Ruth Pravar Jhabwala trying to write Heat and Dust, which also received the Booker Prize, right? That was the bit that we'd looked at, but a very important writer, very critical writer, इस बार भी आपको नेट में क्वेश्चन उनसे दिखा गया है, अमिताभ घोष. Amitav Ghosh, why is he important? Amitav Ghosh is important because he is very anthropological. He tries to capture the modern pulse altogether. Good evening, Siva, Aisha, Hiyashi, Rajashri, Shilpa, Amrita, Sandeep. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Pooja. I'm good. Thanks so much for asking. Good evening, Sapna. Chaliye, let's just very quickly, continue and let's just resume Amitav Ghosh because Amitav Ghosh is going to be important. अच्छी तरीके से try to, note down all of these aspects because Ghosh wala जो part है, we will of course be again looking at it, right? So that shouldn't be an issue at all. But having said that, you will definitely be getting a question on Ghosh or, such kind of writers. So you better be well prepared for that, okay? That is going to be important for all of you to keep in mind. Okay, so without further ado, let's just very, very quickly get started. I am going to be sharing my screen as well with all of you. One second. Just let me know if you're able to see the screen as well. One minute. Okay, great. So now I'm just quickly getting started with the session. Just let me know if you're able to see the screen as well. Okay. So this is of course, the last part that we're looking at for today. हम लोगों ने बाकी के writers को देख लिया है. So I hope everyone's very, very clear. Now I have a question before this. This is the question that is there for all of you. And I want all of you to actually arrange this. Okay. So this is the question that is there for all of you. You have to arrange this in chronological order. River of Smoke, Hungry Tide, Calcutta Chromosome, Circle of Reason. इस बार भी आपके नेट एग्जाम में chronology based question ही पूछा गया था. And you know what is the beauty of Amitav Ghosh? Amitav Ghosh even said that because he is from St. Stephen's College and Shadow Lines is a book which is actually taught at Delhi University. And he said what can be more, complimentary or, something that just gives me, flatters me, that the fact that, the university that I was educated from is actually using the book that I have written. So that is of course the beauty of Amitav Ghosh. So jaldi se bataiye yahan par what is it that you people are recommending? What is it that all of you are suggesting as the correct order? Okay, I see a lot of you writing. Okay, all right, that's a good selection. Now यहाँ पर आपको दो तीन चीजें जो definitely ध्यान में रखनी है before we go forward, before I share the entire aspect with all of you. There are a couple of things that I want all of you to actually write down first. Okay, I want all of you to actually make a note of this because this is actually important. Or just like I said, Amitav Ghosh will definitely be coming. All right, Amitav Ghosh will certainly come in your exam. So therefore, these 2 to 3 important pointers, I want everyone to, in a proper format, write it down. And then again, I'll share my screen with all of you. So सबसे पहले, of course, आप अपनी placards निकालना चाहते हैं, आप अपनी छोटी notebooks निकालना चाहते हैं, whatever you want to actually put your notes in, but just put it in proper place altogether. Fine. Now, when we are looking at Amitav Ghosh, सबसे पहले आप ये चीजें लिखिए and then we'll again revisit this question again. So Amitav Ghosh, you need to keep this in mind that the first important work, सबसे पहले तो write it down, just write it down. The Circle of Reason is his debut novel. Circle of Reason में magical realism के elements को use किया गया है. Circle of Reason के अंदर, there is a lot of, when you look at Circle of Reason, what are you also able to see? You're also able to see that there is collective memory that is being used. There are 3 parts that are coming coming in right from the Upanishads in terms of the titles of the three parts that is there. So the debut novel of Amitav Ghosh, please write it down because this definitely will be coming, like not this question, but Amitav Ghosh से mostly आप अपने नेट एग्जाम में अगर नहीं देखेंगे 4 अगस्त को ऑनवर्ड्स, तो फिर आपको सेट एग्जाम में या किसी ना किसी स्टेट एग्जाम में you'll definitely see a question on Amitav Ghosh. So as literature students, you should be prepared. Circle of Reason was his debut novel 1986. 1986 ये आप थोड़ा सा याद रखिएगा, यहाँ से इनका वर्क स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. Shadow Lines 1988, that's the second work. That is again a very popular work. Shadow Lines 1988. Okay. Calcutta Chromosome 1995. Calcutta Chromosome 1995. All right. After that, Calcutta Chromosome is coming. Glass Palace 2000, 2004 Hungry Tide. 2004 Hungry Tide. So please make a note of it. Circle of Reason 1986, that's the debut work. Shadow Lines 1988, Calcutta Chromosome 1995. After that you have The Glass Palace 2000 and The Hungry Tide 2004. इसके बाद से लेके, so 2004 से लेके all the way till 2015, ठीक है, 2004 से लेके 2015 के बीच में इनके जो वर्क्स आ रहे हैं, that's the Ibis trilogy. So सबसे पहला वर्क कब आ रहा है? सबसे पहला वर्क The Circle of Reason, that is 1986, right? 1986 में सबसे पहला वर्क आ रहा है. 1988 में Shadow Lines आ रहा है. And what are you able to see from 2004 all the way till 2015? इसके बीच में कौन से वर्क्स लिखे जा रहे हैं? इसके बीच में आपका Ibis trilogy लिखा जा रहा है. इसके बीच में which works are coming in? Your Ibis trilogy is coming. अब Ibis trilogy में कौन कौन से parts included हैं? Please make a note of the parts that are included in the Ibis trilogy. The Sea of Poppy is 2008. The Sea of Poppy is 2008. River of Smoke 2011. River of Smoke 2011 and Flood of Fire 2015. तीनों की तीनों लिख लीजिए. Sea of Poppies 2008, River of Smoke 2011, Flood of Fire is 2015. उसके बाद आपका Gun Island 2019 में आ रहा है और जंगल नामा 2001 में आ रहा है. Okay, so first be very clear about the basic works. Okay, first be very clear about the basic works that we are able to see. After that you have to remember Amitav Ghosh की ये तो important novels हो गई, but there are questions, like for instance in your set exams you are always seeing the nutmeg's curse, the nutmeg's curse, NUTMEG, nutmeg's curse. Nutmeg's curse किसने लिखा है? Amitav Ghosh ने लिखा है. Yes, Smoke and Ashes also, Aisha, absolutely right. That is also a very important question that is coming in your exams. So you need to be very clear about it. So please make a note of it. The nutmeg's curse, NUTMEG, nutmeg's curse, parables for a planet in crisis. That is the subtitle. Parables for a Planet in Crisis. Parables for a Planet in Crisis. This is coming in 2021. When is this coming? This is coming in 2021. Okay. Smoke and Ashes, as rightly said. Smoke and Ashes, as rightly said by Aisha also. That is absolutely correct. Smoke and Ashes का subtitle क्या है? Smoke and Ashes का subtitle is A Writer's Journey Through OPM's Hidden History. A Writer's Journey Through OPM's Hidden History. A Writer's Journey Through OPM's Hidden History. Please remember that. ठीक है. So ये सारे के सारे. फिर In an Antique Land. In an Antique Land कब आ रहा है? When is In an Antique Land coming? In an Antique Land is coming when? It's coming in 1992. 1992 in an Antique Land. ये सारे के सारे इनके non-fiction works हैं. He's an anthropologist. He lived in Egypt. And he says, जब ये इजिप्ट में थे for 1 year, he said, the people were actually studying me. I was not studying the people. He says this as well. He says that the people were the ones who were actually studying me. I was not studying the people at all. So this is something that he actually says also, right? This is something that he speaks about. This is something that he has mentioned also. So please be very clearly well aware about. So In an Antique Land, 1992, where he's talking about, his experience in the Egyptian villages. Dancing in Cambodia and at large in Burma. Dancing in Cambodia and at large in Burma. These are essays that he has written. Countdown 1999. Pokhran testing जो आपका हो रहा था. Countdown 1999. APJ Abdul Kalam was actually doing that. So the Pokhran nuclear tests that were being conducted altogether. Okay, so I'm again repeating. Please make a note of it. आपका In an Antique Land 1992 हो जाता है. Dancing in Cambodia at Large in Burma, that is in 1998. These are essays. Countdown 1999, which is countdown to the Pokhran nuclear test that you had. Nutmeg's Curse, Parables of a Planet in Crisis. This is 2021. And again, as I said, Aisha beautifully said it, Smoke and Ashes, A Writer's Journey Through Opium's Hidden History, 2023. That is last year that you were able to see that this work was coming in. Okay? So please remember. Let us take one by one कुछ important pointers. Circle of Reason ये क्या है? It is a magical realism का work. First important work है Circle of Reason that you are able to see. इसमें एक character है Alu का character. That Alu का character is representing the immigrant experience. What is Alu's character representing? Alu's character is representing the immigrant's experience altogether. Please keep that in mind. And it has many plots, many subplots. It's very complicated. It's very complex. Collective memory के बारे में ये बता रहा है. It's like a picaresque fiction. Fable इसके अंदर included है. And what are the three parts of Circle of Reason? The three parts of the first work, the debut novel of Amitav Ghosh, Circle of Reason, इसमें अलू का character आ रहा है. The first part is Sattva. Sattva is reason. Sattva is reason. Rajas is passion. Rajas. Rajas is passion. And tamas is death. I'm repeating it again. So the three that you're having, sattva is reason, rajas is passion, and tamas is death. Okay, so please keep that in mind. These are the three important parts that we're actually able to see. इसमें नचिकेता का भी reference है. So you should be well aware about it. So again, what are we able to see? We're able to see that at the end of the day, everything is interconnected. That's how the title is also coming, the Circle of Reason, right? All of us are collectively doing something for a common purpose. Like all of you want to teach, all of you want to transfer the knowledge that you're having, all of you are trying to make sure that you make your careers. So somewhere down the line, the reason is always going to be interconnected. That is the beauty of Ghosh's works, that it's complex, it's opaque, it's sometimes very difficult to understand also, because there are so many plots and subplots till the time you don't make a diagrammatic figure and expression. But after you understood the work makes a lot of difference or clarity to you. ठीक है, तो ये प्लीज याद रखिएगा. देन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टू पार्ट्स कौन से नॉवल के हैं? टू पार्ट्स आर ऑफ शैडो लाइंस. The Shadow Lines 1988, which is telling you the story of Tridib, how Tridib, while he's trying to save May Price. तो व्हाट इज सबसे पहले तो ये स्टोरी को समझ लीजिए. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली बाय the nameless narrator is trying to tell you the story of Tridib. He's very fascinated with Tridib. His grandmother doesn't like Tridib and considers Tridib to be a sort of a kind of a vagabond sort of a person. However, Tridib is the one who's of course having feelings. So there are the Datta Chaudharys and the Prices who are there. Tridib is having feelings for May Price, and you are able to see that Tridib is getting killed literally to save May Price and the Dhaka violence that is taking place. So historical aspect, so macrocosm, microcosm, everything is getting shown to all of you over here in this particular work, right? So that is something that you'll have to keep that in mind, that how it's divided into two parts, going away and coming home. There are two parts of Shadow Lines. What are the two parts of Shadow Lines? So the two parts are going away and coming home. Those are the two important parts of Shadow Lines that you're able to see. It's set in Calcutta, London, and Dhaka, as rightly said over here, that the setting is Calcutta, London, and Dhaka. Right, Calcutta, London, and Dhaka. That is what you're able to see overall. Acha, please yaad rakhiyega that when we look at this entire work, the opening lines are very important. ये opening lines से भी आपको questions पूछे जाते हैं. अमिताभ घोष का घुमा फिरा के वो पूछ सकते हैं. Opening lines क्या हैं इस work की? In 1939, 13 years before I was born, in 1939, 13 years before I was born, my father's aunt Maya Devi went to England with her husband and her son Tridib. and you already know, right? You already know that Tridip, and how the narrator is having feelings for Ila. The grandmother doesn't like Ila at all, right? So the kind of analogies that the grandmother is constantly giving, those are also very interesting. And Shadowlines title क्या बता रहा है यहाँ पर? Shadowlines is a direct commentary on imagined communities by Benedict Anderson's essay. The essay that Benedict Anderson has written, Imagined Communities, that how the lines that we are all talking about, the boundaries that we create, the distinctions that we're creating, that this person is from this place, this country, this state, this union territory, they're all false lines, because everyone at the heart of it is same. We all need food to eat, we all need sleep, we all need comfort, we all have a fear of certain aspects altogether, right? So that is what you're able to see. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Moving on, Calcutta Chromosome. Calcutta Chromosome का subtitle क्या है? What is the subtitle of Calcutta Chromosome? A novel of fevers, delirium, and discovery. What is the subtitle of Calcutta Chromosome? A novel of fevers, delirium, and discovery. A novel of fevers, delirium, and discovery. That is the subtitle of the Calcutta Chromosome. It also got the Arthur C. Clarke Prize. Arthur C. Clarke Prize किसके लिए दिया जाता है? It is given for a work that is actually associated with science fiction, sci-fi. Arthur C. Clarke Award दिया गया है. Okay, so that is what you are actually able to see. Murugan has transformed, has transferred to Calcutta because of his fascination with the life of Sir Ronald Ross altogether, the British Army officer who discovered कि malaria कैसे spread होता है. That is how the story actually continues. So the Calcutta chromosome, how malaria was actually founded by an Indian per se, but the credit was taken by the West. Okay. So that is another thing. The Glass Palace, again, a family saga telling you about 3 generations of a family overall. Burma, Malay, India, सबके बारे में आपको पता चलता है. British defeat, the Burmese in the war in Mandalay. So आपको everything is actually presented over there. So the Glass Palace 2000, so very historical in nature, going back to history, anthropological in nature. You're able to see that there are various aspects and parts of anthropology also that get covered by Amitav Ghosh. So that is also another important aspect that we are predominantly able to see over here. ठीक है? So अच्छा, एक question आता है, title of Glass Palace. So we've looked at the Circle of Reason, we've looked at the Shadowlines title. This is also important for you to remember the title of the Glass Palace, right? The Glass Palace का जो title है, you are able to see that the term Glass Palace, which was introduced in the novel, is actually referring to the hall that was there in Mandalay, the hall that was there in Burma. That is what essentially the Glass Palace is predominantly telling you about. Okay, so that is how the entire title is predominantly coming in. All right, so please remember that. The Hungry Tide, the Hungry Tide is coming in 2004. Again, he did his PhD from Oxford University, so he's trying to talk about it. Okay, so please keep that in mind. अच्छा, एक question आपसे पूछा जाता है कि what is the time span covered, right? He's trying to cover a lot of time period, like Shadowlines के अंदर 3 generations are being covered, so almost 100 years is being covered. Glass Palace में 115 years are being covered, because he's going back to the Burmese war, where Burma is getting defeated by the Britishers. Hungry Tide is also, what you're able to see is that the time span is getting a little expanded overall. So this is also certain things that just a few weeks in the lives of a few characters. So time frame is also expanding that way. So this is also another important aspect that gets covered. So Hungry Tide, telling you about his experience as a sociologist, as a entire sociology student in Oxford. That is something that this entire work tries to cover. This is what Amitav Ghosh's work is actually trying to cover. So please remember this aspect as well. Yes, absolutely right, set in Sundarbans. Okay, now there's another question that actually comes in. एक तो बहुत सारे characters होते हैं in Amitav Ghosh's writings. That is of course a given. You are able to see multitudes of characters altogether. That is something that you'll have to remember. Then the stories connection, like River of Smoke, आपका 2011, Flood of Fire Fire 2015, right? I hope you're able to remember आपका Ibis trilogy. What is the Ibis trilogy? Ibis trilogy is predominantly trying to tell you about how he's trying to unearth OPM, the OPM trade, how it is actually discovered, how it is really important overall and monetarily rewarding. That is something that he tries to even, yes, absolutely right, Rajashri. That is something that he tries to cover via his writings over here in the Ibis trilogy. So again, this time also the question that had predominantly come, right, this time also the question that we were able to see that had actually come over here was pretty similar to this particular question. Okay, and this is why I really want all of you to remember overall, like I told you, right, the Circle of Reason is the debut novel, all right, followed by, of course, the Shadow Lines is coming, then the Calcutta Chromosome is there, the Glass Palace is in 2000, the Hungry Tide is in 2004, 2004 से 2015, basically 2019 आप कह सकते हैं, because 2015 में लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ इबिस ट्रिलॉजी इज कमिंग. सो इस टाइम तक 2004 से 2019 तक आपका इबिस ट्रिलॉजी चल रहा है. सो इवन इफ यू, अच्छा, इबिस ट्रिलॉजी में क्या क्या आ रहा है? इबिस ट्रिलॉजी में आपका सी ऑफ पॉपीज, रिवर ऑफ स्मोक, आपका Flood of Fire, right? So these are the three important works that are coming in the Ibis trilogy. So when we are looking at the Ibis trilogy, which are the three parts of the Ibis trilogy? Sea of Poppies, River of Smoke, and Flood of Fire. So you must remember, you must keep this in mind that, this is basically the Ibis trilogy that we're all able to see. Okay. So don't forget that at all. Just remember, okay, this is also critically crucial. So again, what are we trying to say? That, chronology is not something which is actually going to be distinctly different or difficult if you are practicing everything, if you're studying all the writers, but now you just have to be a little more careful कि कौन सा वर्क कब आ रहा है. वर्सेस के पहले अगर आप अंधाधुन पढ़ रहे थे, अब आपको थोड़ा सा केयरफुल होना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द रीसेंट ट्रेंड दैट यू आर एबल टू सी. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग, राइट? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मीट यू ऑल, I think either it's going to be a Friday, Saturday, or a Saturday, or a Sunday, Monday. I'll let you know the schedule. अब इस वाले टाइम में हम लोग थोड़ा मैराथन वे में करेंगे. I'll be getting extended links also, so it's not going to be, it won't be as disjointed as these ones. And we are going to practice in एक session में we'll be practicing a few questions, and दूसरे session में I have some very interesting pointers for all of you that we'll be revising in a very structured manner. I'll share all the details also with all of you by EOD today, with the schedule for the next session on, both the not tomorrow, but the next set of class that we're going to be having. Okay, the next set of class that we'll be having, I'll be sharing all the details also with all of you. Fine. Okay, great. If there are any other questions, if there are any doubts that you people are having, please, thank you so much, Anushika. That's very sweet of you. Yeah. It's going to be structured right now. So abhi, that's the reason we've only looked at Indian writers only so far, so that, Shabnam, all of this is absolutely in a session wise only. So please revise this, please review this. I will share the PPT as well with all of you on the Telegram platform. If there are any other doubts, please do let me know about it. And the queries that I've got for the Score Booster book, you're going to be getting the response by tomorrow. About we've got all the DMs that you've given. So we had said that we will be getting back to you by today. We'll get back to you by tomorrow. So basically there are 7 little sets of booklets that are there. And सारे के सारे बुकलेट्स में, जैसे आपका ब्रिटिश हिस्ट्री है, आई एम जस्ट क्विकली शेयरिंग ऑल्सो. वैसे आपको डीएम के फॉर्म में आपको सबको रिप्लाईज मिल जाएंगे about what all the books are going to be compiling. And these are, customized notes that have been prepared by students. It's a students initiative only. All the students have come together, and the class notes of the classes that we've been having, the class notes, the session notes, the patterns of the paper that we've been observing, and we've collated all of that together. So there'll be 7 booklets, and like I said, all the details, sample reading, वो सारी की सारी चीजें आप लोगों के साथ शेयर की जाएंगी for all the students whom we are told that we'll be replying back to you. I'm just sharing that. Fine. Okay, great. Thanks everyone for joining in. I'll catch up with all of you very soon, and this time in the form of a marathon class where we'll be practicing questions. Fine. If there are any other doubts, please do let me know. Good night, sweet dreams. Take good care of yourselves. I'll see you all shortly, and I'll share all the details as well with all of you. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Good night, sweet dreams. Bye. Good night. Yes, Shabnam, Neha, Amruta, Supratim, Debashish, Siva, Rajashri, Sapna, Shilpa, Ayushi, Bhavya, Meera, Debashish, Tabassum, Ravi, Sakina, Shabnam, Supratim. Thanks everyone. Hiyashi. Take care. Bye everyone. Good night.